Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 2006 Honda Accord headlights are probably one of the most important safety features of your vehicle, ensuring optimal visibility and safety while driving, especially during nighttime or inclement weather. In this video, we will review several different headlight assemblies for the 2006 Honda Accord, comparing their features, quality, and overall value to help you choose the best option for your needs and budget. Number 5. oEdRo Accord Headlight Assembly. These headlights are perfectly compatible with 2003 to 2007 Honda Accords. They're a direct replacement for your old ones, ensuring a seamless fit. Experience safer driving with these enhanced headlights. They reduce glare, improving visibility for you and other drivers. Built with a clear polycarbonate lens and durable PC housing, it's designed to withstand heat, vibrations, and dust. They are built to last. Completely sealed with silicone and a one-way vent, they prevent moisture buildup. This means no fogging or corrosion, extending their lifespan. Installation is straightforward, no modifications are needed. However, professional installation is always recommended for optimal results. What we like. It offers brighter and safer lighting, ensuring you're seen at night. Its waterproof design protects against the elements. If you value ease of installation and superior visibility, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These headlights look great on the 2003 Accord, it looks like new again. I chose the black housing and it really complements the graphite gray color of the car. So glad to get rid of the cloudy foggy old original headlights. Made my 2007 Tacoma look new from the factory again. Nice bright light at night, I can see again, no more hazy lights. So far no leaks to date, I've had them on little over a month with car washing and rain. Everything appears tight, no moisture inside lenses. So this went into a 2004 Dodge Ram 1500 quad cab. Fit and fitment were good. The first few pictures shows the end results. No issues after taking it on a 500mi road trip, all worked well. Number 4. Autosaver 88 Accord Headlight Assembly. It's compatible with 2003 to 2007 Honda Accords. It uses 9005 high beam and 9006 low beam bulbs, please note that bulbs are not included. Completely sealed with silicone and one-way vents, it prevents moisture buildup. No more worries about corrosion or damage from the weather. The metallic parabolic reflectors create a broader, smoother beam for better visibility. Experience significantly improved nighttime driving. Side microprism reflectors increase visibility to other drivers. This ensures your safety and the safety of others on the road. It features a tough polycarbonate lens and housing, highly resistant to shocks and vibrations. Professional installation is recommended for optimal performance. While professional installation is recommended, it is designed for relatively easy replacement of your old headlights. What we like. This headlight boasts a brighter, smoother light beam for enhanced visibility. It's also waterproof and highly resistant to impacts from road debris. If you prioritize a wider, brighter beam and durability, this is for you. What people say. Great replacement lights. They work well and look great. Very easy to install and they look great. OEM replacement quality. Number 3. DWVO Accord Headlight Assembly. It's perfectly compatible with 2003 to 2007 Honda Accords. It uses 9005 high beam and 9006 low beam bulbs, however, bulbs are not included in this kit. These headlights feature integrated metallized reflectors. This means you'll get increased light distance for better visibility and safer driving, especially in low light conditions. They are fully sealed with solid silicone to prevent moisture from entering. This ensures reliable performance even in rain, snow, or dust storms. The durable polycarbonate lenses and high-impact housing protect it from road debris and impacts. It's tough enough for even off-road adventures. They are designed as a direct replacement for your old headlights. Professional installation is recommended. They come as a pair, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger's side. What we like. Experience improved illumination and increased driving safety with its enhanced light distance. The weather-sealed design ensures reliable performance in harsh conditions. If you need a robust and reliable headlight for any weather, this is a great option. Number 2. JSBOYAT Honda Accord Headlights. These headlights are perfectly compatible with 2003 to 2007 Honda Accords, both 2- and 4-door models. Remember, bulbs are not included, you'll need to transfer those from your old units. They're built to last with a heavy-duty, fully sealed housing made from high-quality polycarbonate plastic. This ensures they're waterproof and highly resistant to impacts, providing bright, reliable lighting. These headlights meet or exceed OEM standards, using SAE and DOT certified materials. The improved reflectors and chrome finish enhance light reflectivity for increased nighttime visibility and a safer driving experience. Installation is a simple plug-and-play process. It's a direct bolt-on replacement for your old units. No modifications or drilling are needed, but professional installation is always recommended. Order them today and receive your pair of headlights directly from the USA within 2 to 5 business days. Contact JSBOYAT through Amazon if you have any questions or issues. What we like. This headlight is built with premium materials for superior durability and safety. The easy installation process makes it a breeze to upgrade your lighting. If you're looking for a high-quality, easy-to-install option, this one's for you. What people say. They fit right in without an issue. They look fantastic. Watched a 10-minute video online on how to install them and it was super easy. Only took about 2 hours total. They look great and are pretty sturdy. I just reused my old bulbs and it makes my lights look so much brighter since they aren't fogged up. Fits perfectly and very bright. Number 1. Honda Accord 03-07 Headlights. Give your Honda Accord a modern and stylish upgrade with these replacement headlights. They're a perfect fit for your 2003 to 2007 model and will dramatically improve your vehicle's appearance. These headlights are designed for a precise fit, just like the originals. Enjoy a seamless installation and a factory-like finish. Experience significantly improved visibility with these headlights. The high transmittance lenses provide a clearer, brighter beam for safer night driving. Installation is a breeze. They're designed for a plug-and-play experience, requiring no modifications to your vehicle. These headlights are built to withstand the elements. The waterproof design and durable construction ensure long-lasting performance and reliability. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our lifetime service guarantee, ensuring support whenever you need it. What we like. Get 200% brighter illumination for superior visibility on the road. It's easy to install and completely waterproof for reliable performance in any weather. If you want significantly brighter lights with simple installation, this is the one for you. What people say. These headlights turned out to be great. They were so bright, oncoming cars would flash their lights at me thinking I had my brights on when I didn't. Fit and function were great. The fit on the side bracket is pretty tight, had to use a vice grip to hold it in place as the metal mounting frame the light sits on doesn't quite line up with the holes on the light assembly. Super easy to change and fit very well otherwise. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.